This spring and summer, get your garden bursting with produce quickly and easily, thanks to the Easy Grow range by Floriana. This range is perfect for the time-poor gardener because you get an abundant harvest with minimal effort. Leafy greens are a must for summer salads, and you can't go past lettuce. This combo punnet includes cos, mignonette and butterhead. All of these can be continuously harvested leaf by leaf within 6 weeks of planting. More greens please? Then you can't go past Spinach Iron Man for a leafy green that's loaded with vitamins. For a patch bursting with beans, plant the dwarf variety Bean French Green. This is a smaller growing bush-style bean, but it's extremely productive, producing a continuous crop of stringless beans just 8 to 10 weeks after planting. The popular crisp and sweet Lebanese cucumber is a must-have for the warmer months. You can start harvesting snack-sized cukes 8 to 9 weeks after planting. And if you're short on space, then try growing cucumbers vertically up a trellis or a climbing frame. And your spring and summer garden wouldn't be complete without a tomato or two. So for sweet tomato success, plant cherry Sweetbite. It produces a bountiful crop of full-flavoured cherry-sized fruit over many weeks, perfect for simple summer salads and snacks. And now this productive little patch will be ready to harvest in no time.